friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. I am Binoy here. Today I am going to recommend another penny stocks. 2 weeks before I had recommended two penny stocks. I think 2 months before. One is Trident and another is South Indian Bank. South Indian Bank is now trading at the same rate I had recommended. After my recommendation, it goes to 10 rupees. After that, it had a correction. In case of Trident, I had recommended it at the rate of 7 rupees. Now it is trading at 14 rupees, 100% appreciation from my recommended level. Those who buy those shares, according to my recommendation, I ask everyone to hold the shares because some good news are coming in that share. The management is very confident about the company. They are making a vision 2025 about the company. So please hold on the share. I will give you a detailed review about the share in my next video. Actually, I am not interested to recommend a penny stocks, but sometimes we will get a very good share which will become a multi-bagger in future. So when we get a chance to enter into that level, when it was young age, before the company is becoming a very good player in that particular field, we have to enter into the shares and keep quiet. We can get a multiple return in that share. That type of shares I had identified. Actually, this share I had identified at the rate of ₹3 rupees. Now it is trading at 7 rupees 75 paisa. But at that rate, I am not so confident about the company. But now I had read a news about the company from a reliable source. So I think I can put a video about this company as a multi-bagger. Before that, I am just reviewing my previous recommendations. So many people ask me about Frontier Springs. So I strictly say that please hold on to the shares. It will be a number one player in the railway space. Our government is giving more emphasis to the railway industry, and our entire railway system, our trains are going to be changed. So this company will be a part of that. It's a coil manufacturing company which is an individual part of trains. So you please hold on the share. The management is very good, and I expect the share to reach 500 rupees. So whatever happens to the company, as an investor, please hold on the share. To be an investor, not a speculator. Okay. And in case of 3 weeks before, I recommended a pharma company, Solara Active Pharma, at the rate of 1,198. Friday is closing price 1,360. My target is achieved. Those who still holding the shares, please book profit from that share. And the one Tata Motors, I recommend 183, which is 300 rupees. I ask everyone to hold on those shares. Okay. Anyway, let me come to my new company, the penny stocks. I identified the penny stocks. The name of the company is Urja Global Limited. The share price of the company is now 7 rupees 75 paisa. It is a company engaged in the business of solar, integrated solar power company, and it had a variety of products in their kitty. They have manufacturing solar batteries, LED lights, solar lantern, solar inverters, water heaters, home lights, also. And recently they are entered into the e-vehicles also. They are manufacturing e-auto rickshaws, e-scooters, etc. They are manufacturing. And the companies recently said that they are going to manufacture the e-cars also. And when this share was trading at 3 rupees, I just checked their website. But now, when I checked the website, it was entirely changed. The website is very good looking. They changed the overall picture of the website. If we see the website of the company today, we feel very good about the company. Sometimes you may think that what is lies in the website. Actually, there is. It shows the confidence of the company. It shows the quality of the company in his website itself. If we check the website of a company, if we can able to find the quality of the company in the website itself. So that's all. The entry of Tesla, the largest electrical manufacturer of the world, is entering into India in 2021. I think this company also will become a part of electrical revolution. And about the company, there is nothing to look about EPSP, etc., because it's just a starting company. After 2 or 3 years, the entire picture will be changed. So there is nothing to look to the valuation of the company, the present situation. But 2 things are to highlight it. First thing is that FIRs are holding in this company. Only few shares FIRs are holding. In this small company, if FIRs have holding, I think it's only 0.43%, something like that. Anyway, FIRs are holding the company. Holding shares in the company is very, very, very good. And there is not a single share is pledged by the promoter of the company. Promoters are holding 31.64% in the company. DIOs are also holding 23% in the company. So something was happening there. Some accumulation was going there. Then recently, that's the news I heard from the reliable source. I don't know whether it is correct or not, but every news we can able to relay. But I think this is reliable news. The company is going to manufacture lithium-ion battery also. It's a very good news. Lithium-ion battery. They are going to manufacture. Sometimes may be assembled, but just like Exide and Amaraja, they are going to battle lithium-ion batteries. That means there is a space for this company in the electrical revolution. And then they have so many projects in their hands. They received so many projects related to solar energy. There are so many projects they received from the government, very different governments. Maharashtra government, they get projects. Haryana government, they get projects. So there are so many projects that are getting. Then it will be a part of green energy. Along with the electrical revolution, our government is also giving emphasis on the green energy and solar energy. So in these 2 players, this company is part of that. If you don't take the case of electrical vehicles, still it is a very good company. I think the basic business, that is solar business itself, is very good. So this is not a company, the price must be not traded at this level. This is below 10 rupees rate. So anyway, I expect this share to go above to 30-40 rupees. As a multiplier, it may go to 30-50 rupees like that. But it is kept in mind, this is a small cap share. Don't put all your money in this share. Don't put all eggs in one basket. Okay. Then the market capitalization is very low now. And one more news is that is they have a strategic alliance with a company FEM. According to the alliance, FEM is ready to buy 1 lakh scooters every year. The price of a scooter is near about 40,000 to 50,000 per scooter. So 1 lakh scooter means near about 480 crores, 500 crores business will be given by FEM to this company. Now the market coverage is only 480 crores. But if this was came to reality, I don't know whether this happens also, but if it comes to reality, the market coverage will be changed. The entire company will be changed. The entire picture of the company will be changed. So it will be become a multi-bagger stock. So you put, you can invest in the shares in SIP, systemic investment plan. You can put 1,000 or 2,000 rupees every month. Otherwise, you just buy 1,000 shares and forget that. If you lost money, you will lose 8,000 rupees only. If you gain, you may become your money 4 lakhs, 8 lakhs, something. Anyway, at least 80,000 rupees. So it is I think this company is a very good management company. It's a very good quality company. Okay. And along with that, we have to identify its negative factor also. The negative factor is that brand value. It don't have the brand value. If it manufactures electrical cars, I think most of people will not prefer Urja's car when there is a car from Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra. People will prefer Mahindra, Tata Motors over this company. But that lies in the hands of the management. Making a product is easy, to market a product is very difficult. So if the management is very confident about the business, if they can able to market the product, it is very successful. So actually indirectly they are going to manage electrical cars. It's a very good thing. Small company, they are ready to manufacture electrical cars. It's very good confidence happen to see in the management level. But anyway, one simple thing is that if avoid about the electrical business, lithium ion battery, electrical vehicle, etc. But they are still manufacturing two electrical scooters. That is very good. It's very cheap also, and all other products related to solar power is very good quality. And one more thing they are manufacturing scooters and auto shop. Auto shop already they manufacture. It is quality level, but this company doesn't have a pan-India presence. It is present only in Haryana, 3 or 4 states in India. But who knows? Maybe this company have a pan-India presence. Leave about the electrical car, but in case of electrical scooters, in case of auto rickshaws, in case of solar products, sometimes they come to all in the pan-India presence. So this company will click and will go to any level. But I think no one will lose money if you invest at this rate. From 7,000, 8,000, from 8 rupees, you will definitely go to 12 rupees. Your amount will 50% position is guaranteed. Okay. Anyway, this is my personal study, personal view about this company. I have no interest, personal interest in the company, but my clients are holding shares in the company. I am also having 2,000 shares in the company, and I like to add few more shares in the future also. So please consult your own advisor before getting into the shares based on my recommendation. If anyone not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, like it, and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Thank you.